So x is directly proportional to y. So that means, this is how I wrote it. Okay, it's given that x is directly proportional to y, and x is inversely proportional to z. That's what it means, right? So equation wise, this means x is equal to some constant times by y, and this one means x is another constant, not the same constant, a different constant times by this over z. Okay, so what happens is that this means x over y is equal to, it's gonna remain a constant, it's a particular ratio, fixed ratio, and this right here, x times z is a fixed ratio. So if you combine these two, right? If you combine those two, we can say x, z multiplied divided by y is a different constant. Let's just say k without any number under it. Now, how is this the same thing as combining these two? Right? If I fix that, right? If I z be some constant, right? Do you see that we get the exact same condition? We get x over y. X over y is some constant. Do you see that? Right? If this was a constant, x over y is some constant, right? If I fix this one, I get x times z will be some kind of constant, right? So it's a different one from this. So whatever that fixed value is, if you combine it with k, we get k1 is what I'm saying. Right? And if I fix this one, right? So k over z, whatever that fixed value is, I'm saying that's k1, or sorry, I meant k2, the other way around. Okay. Okay, so you gotta write it like this. This is what we presented. You gotta show that, you know, directly proportional means this, inversely proportional means this, so therefore we get this. Okay. Now our first goal is to find the value of k. Right. So let's plug it in. Half. Right. 2 over 3. Y is what's y? 3 over 4. Okay. So therefore you can say k is, what is this? You get 1/3. 3 over 4, so 1/3 times by 4 over 3, so 4 over 16. Okay, true, I didn't make any mistake, right? 4 over 16. So that what that means is that now I know that x times z over y will always remain the ratio of 4 over 16. And since now they're giving you,
is it 4 over 9?
4 over, oh 9, sorry, my bad. When I asked you, did I make a mistake? You should have said. I had a feeling I was like running by quick. Okay, 4 over 9, right? So now here's my y. Y is equal to 7 over 8. Z is equal to 7 over 9. Okay, let's put it in here, okay? So x, I can actually isolate for x first. 4 over 9, it'll be y over z, right? So y goes on top, and z goes on the bottom with the proper operation of multiplication and division, right? So it's 4 over 9, y is 7 over 8, and z is 7 over 9. Okay, so 4 over 9, this is the same thing as 7 over 8 times by the reciprocal, which is 9 over 7, right? So you get half. Right? 4 over 8 is half. Therefore, x is equal to half. Now, my handwriting is not the prettiest, but it needs to be readable. Okay, so first of all, you should also always structure from left to right. Okay, left to right, and the second, right, is going down. Okay. Now, if you're going around like this, it needs to be clear that maybe you should I should even put an arrow here. Okay, from here, you should continue to read from here. Worst case scenario, if I actually didn't run out of space and I put it all here, let's say I put that information here, people are going to read from left to right and they're going to get confused. If you write it all here, the final steps, when your initial steps are here, right? So just keep those little things in mind of organization. In the beginning, it's going to be a hassle, but later on when you're used to it, your solution will always look nice.